Hey guys, Steve McGaughey at the McGaughys booth here at the SEMA show 2024. I wanted to show you this F150 that we just finished. It's got our brand new 3.5, 5.5 lowering kit, but I wanted to give a shout out and some love to the people that really helped us get this truck done. It has a Whipple Supercharger that we'll pop the hood and show you. It's sitting on a set of Budnick wheels. I'll bring you around this way. Wally's out of Reedley did all the paintwork on the grill, color matched the emblems, the mirrors. These Budnick wheels are one-off. It's a 20x10 with a 7-inch backspace in the front. The rear is a 20x10 with a 3.5-inch backspace. Axle Pros out of Clovis narrowed the axle. Mosier Engineering resplined the factories. They were able to knock this out in just a short period of time for us. All these guys kind of came together to help us out build this truck. So Whipple Supercharger hooked us up with a supercharger for this thing. Steve Spear from SS Motorsports came and did the install. Everything went together flawless. The Whipple Supercharger kit, all the little parts line up, the bracketry, all the neat lines needed. Everything was a kit that we did this thing in our shop with no time. The calibration was a plug-in and tune. Super simple process, and the amount of horsepower that this thing has added to this vehicle now has made it amazing to drive. It's a fun little truck. Now that it's lowered on a set of wheels, it really feels like a little sports car. So I couldn't be happier with these guys' product, and also all the people that helped us build this truck. I'm super thankful of it. I hope you guys like it.